What's up guys, it's your boy Justin Too Fast For You, back again with another quick review on like additions to your car. So what I have today is like the knobs coloring for your car. So on my Camry, so there's 5 pieces, 2 for the AC and then 2 for the radios, and then there's 1 also for your side mirror so you can like move it around. So it's really easy to install. There's the 3M tape, the double-sided tape on the inside. I did test it out to try it to see like if you can easily remove it, and you can. So if you're worried about it being permanent or anything, it actually does come off fairly easy. And then also in the packaging there is extra tape in case you need it. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the car, and then obviously I'll show some pictures before, and then you can compare the two. So yeah, let's get into that. Alright, so you can see the 3M tape here. In case you want to add more to this side, they all come with 1 strip on it already, so you don't have to worry about peeling it off. So what we're going to do is just take it out from here. Alright, and then we're just going to place it on the knob. And then we're going to do the same with the rest. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It's always greatly appreciated. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Do you guys like the changes? Do you not like the changes? And you know, it's Justin Too Fast For You, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.